Unlock a new level of interactive design and user engagement in your Webflow projects by mastering the art of the pop-up modal. First, let's design our modal. Drag a div block onto your canvas and give it a class name like modal wrapper. We'll use this to contain everything. Set the display property of your modal wrapper to none initially, so it's hidden when the page loads. Inside the modal wrapper, add another div block and name it modal content. This will be the actual pop-up window. Style it with a background color, padding, and perhaps some rounded corners. Now populate your modal content with engaging elements like a heading, some descriptive text, and a call to action button, or even an embed form. Don't forget a close button. Add a text block with an X symbol and position it carefully for easy dismissal. Time for the magic. Select your modal wrapper and head to the Interactions panel. Let's create a page load trigger to make it appear automatically. Choose Start an Animation and create a new animation. Select your modal wrapper and add a fade in opacity action to make it smoothly appear. Next, select your Close button and add a new interaction. This time, choose an element trigger for mouse click and create an animation to fade out the modal wrapper. Finally, ensure your modal is responsive. Check how it looks on different device sizes and make any necessary adjustments to layout and font sizes so it looks great everywhere. And there you have it, a beautiful, functional, and responsive pop-up modal in Webflow, ready to elevate your user experience.